Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you that 2026 could be the year that changes everything? Not a small change, not a little improvement. I'm talking about the greatest comeback of your life. If you are serious about changing your life, subscribe to this channel right now. Because here, we don't motivate you for 5 minutes. We build you for a lifetime. If you are ready to turn pain into power and excuses into results, then stay with me till the end. This message is for you. 2026 is not just another year on the calendar. It is not just January, February, March, repeating the same old story. 2026 is a decision, and that decision is simple. Are you going to stay the same, or are you going to rise? Maybe the last few years were hard. Maybe you failed at something important. Maybe you trusted the wrong people. Maybe you started something but couldn't finish it. Maybe you promised yourself change, but old habits pulled you back. Maybe you feel behind in life. But listen carefully. Your past is not your final chapter. A comeback does not belong to perfect people. It belongs to people who refuse to quit. It belongs to people who fall down and still decide to stand up again. It belongs to people who are tired of being average. 2026 is your chance to stand up again. The truth is, nobody is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. No magical motivation is coming. The only thing that can change your life is a decision. A strong, serious, non-negotiable decision. In 2026, you must decide that average is no longer acceptable. You must decide that excuses are no longer allowed. You must decide that discipline is no longer optional. A comeback starts in your mind. If you still think like the old version of yourself, you will act like the old version. And if you act the same, you will get the same results. So the first battle of 2026 is mental. Stop saying, I can't. Stop saying, it's too late. Stop saying, I'm not lucky. Instead say, I will learn. Say, I will try again, but this time I will not quit. Your mindset controls your actions. Your actions control your results, and your results control your life. If you change your mindset in 2026, you change your future. But mindset alone is not enough. You need discipline. Motivation is temporary. One day you feel strong. The next day you feel tired. One day you are excited. The next day you are distracted. Discipline does not depend on feelings. Discipline wakes up when you don't feel like it. Discipline works when nobody is watching. Discipline keeps going when progress is slow. Work on your goals even when no one is clapping for you. Because in the beginning, nobody will clap. In the beginning, it will feel lonely. But that loneliness is building strength inside you. A comeback requires sacrifice. You cannot keep the same friends, the same habits, the same routine, and expect a different life. Something must change. And most of the time, that something is you. You must become more focused, more patient, more consistent. Consistency is the secret. You don't need to be the most talented person in the room. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the richest. You just need to show up every single day. In 2026, focus on daily wins, not big speeches, not big announcements. Daily wins. Wake up on time. Finish what you start. Control your spending. Control your emotions. Control your time. Time is your most powerful asset. Stop wasting hours on things that don't help your future. Social media will always be there. Entertainment will always be there. But your time will not always be there. Every hour you waste in 2026 is an hour you cannot get back. Ask yourself, is this action moving me closer to my goal or further away? If it is moving you further away, cut it. In 2026, you will face criticism. You will face rejection. You will face moments when you feel like giving up. But strong people are not people who never feel pain. Strong people are people who feel pain but continue anyway. Control your anger. Control your jealousy. Control your fear. When someone wins, don't get jealous. Get inspired. When someone criticizes you, don't get angry. Get better. When you fail, don't cry about it. Learn from it. Every failure is feedback. If something did not work in 2025, good. Now you know what not to do in 2026. Your mistakes are teachers, not enemies. Another powerful truth. Protect your environment. If you are surrounded by negative people, you will slowly become negative. If you are surrounded by lazy people, you will slowly become lazy. In 2026, choose your circle wisely. Be around people who push you. Be around people who talk about goals, not gossip. Be around people who work on themselves. And if you cannot find that circle, then become that person first. Be the disciplined one. Be the focused one. Be the example. Because leadership starts with self-leadership. Lead yourself before you try to lead others. Set clear goals for 2026. Not just, I want to be successful. What does success mean to you? Is it financial freedom? Is it a healthy body? Is it peace of mind? Is it building a business? Write it down. Be specific. Clarity creates direction. Direction creates action. Action creates results. And results create confidence. Confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you build by keeping promises to yourself. Every time you say you will wake up at 6 and you actually do it, your confidence grows. Every time you say you will not quit and you continue, your confidence grows. In 2026, build trust with yourself. Stop breaking promises to yourself. Because when you don't trust yourself, you doubt everything. A comeback is not loud. It is quiet. While others are partying, you are preparing. While others are complaining, you are working. While others are sleeping on their dreams, you are chasing yours. And one day, people will say, wow, you changed so much. They will think it happened overnight, but you will know the truth. It happened daily. It happened when you chose discipline over comfort. It happened when you chose growth over excuses. It happened when you chose long-term success over short-term pleasure. There will be hard days in 2026, days when progress feels slow, days when you feel tired, days when you question yourself. On those days, remember why you started. Remember the pain of staying the same. Remember the frustration of wasted time. Remember the feeling of regret. Use that pain as fuel. Pain can destroy you, or it can drive you. Let it drive you. You are stronger than you think. You have survived hard days before. You have handled pressure before. You have faced failure before. And you are still here. That means there is something powerful inside you. In 2026, unlock that power. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start now. Start messy. Start small. But start, because action creates momentum. And momentum creates transformation. Imagine the end of 2026. Imagine looking back and seeing how much you have grown. Imagine feeling proud of yourself. Imagine your family noticing the change. Imagine your bank account growing. Imagine your body stronger. Imagine your mind sharper. This is your life. And 2026 is your opportunity. Do not waste it. Do not repeat old patterns. Do not let comfort steal your dreams. Stand up. Decide that this year will be different. Decide that you will not quit when it gets hard. Decide that you will build habits that make you unstoppable. 2026 is the greatest comeback of your life. Not because the world will change, but because you. And when you change, everything changes. So take this moment seriously. Make a promise to yourself right now. Say, I will not waste 2026. Say, I will become stronger. Say, I will create my comeback. And if you believe that deep inside, then stay connected to this channel, because we are building warriors here. We are building disciplined minds. We are building unstoppable people. Your comeback story will not be written by luck. It will be written by effort. It will be written by daily discipline. And when December 2026 arrives, you will not recognize the person in the mirror. You will see strength. You will see confidence. You will see proof that hard work works. 2026 is not just another year. It is your year, your comeback, your transformation, your rise. Start now.